loves. Welcome back to the Finishing Touch channel with P. Harris. If you're rocking press on nails and you're ready to take them off without damaging your natural nails, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through my gentle removal routine, the same one I use to keep my nail bed healthy and my cuticle smooth. I've shared a video with you before on how to remove press on nails, but today I have something in addition that will help you with the process. We're starting with one easy step using a cuticle stick to gently lift around the base of the press on. Not forcing anything, just loosening that seal. Next, we'll prep a warm, soapy soak with a little bit of oil to help those nails soften and slide right off. No worries, no ripping, no pain, and no damage. And for my girls who use nail glue directly on the nail bed without a peel off top coat, don't worry. I added something just for you. You may need to start with the nail remover solution to break down that adhesive before soaking. This step makes removal much easier and helps protect your natural nail underneath. So, whether you're a sticky tab queen or a glue lover like me, I've got you covered. Let's get into it and remove these nails the right way. Okay, you guys, if you apply your press on nails with glue directly to your natural nail, this step is key. I'm going to start with using a nail removal solution. This particular brand is pronounced Dueloit, I believe. Um, that comes with a precision bottle. With a pointed tip. This allows me to control the amount of the product and apply it exactly where it's needed. I gently slide the tip of the bottle under the base of the press on nail right near the cuticle area. I'm not forcing the nail up, I'm just simply allowing the solution to work its way underneath and begin breaking down the glue. Now, once the solution is under the nail, I let it sit for a minute. This softens the adhesive and loosens the bond, making removal much easier and safer for the natural nail. And if needed, I'll add a little more solution and slowly work around the sides of the nail. And if I need to, I will use the nail cuticle lifter and let the nails soak in the warm solution a little longer. And after the glue starts to release, the press on will lift gently on its own. That will save your nail bed and protect your natural nail from any breakage and keeps your manicure routine elegant and damage free. And that's the outcome that we want. Now that the nail has loosened, I'm able to take this floss stick and gently slide it under the base of the nail where there's much lift and gently work my way from the base of the nail into the middle of the nail down to the very tip where it assists with removing the nail off.
all things through Christ which strengtheneth me. Isaiah chapter 40 verses 29 to 31. He giveth power to the faint, and to them that have no might he increased strength. Even the youth shall faint and be weary, and the young men shall utterly fall. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk.
All right, my nail besties, that's it. Your press on nail is safely removed with your natural nail protected and intact. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and watching this removal tip here on the finishing touch. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. And remember, as I always say, love on yourself because you deserve it. Love and hugs.